guys, I'm Pooja and today I'm going to be showing you what I do as my post-shower beauty routine, as one would say. So for a little bit of context, I am traveling right now and I am in Jaisalmer and I'm staying at Suryagarh. So I just took my shower, we came back from a really nice swim and we are headed towards the... Right, so this is my gorgeous room. And there, right there, is a really nice porch. I think I have already shown you this on my Instagram stories. Please avoid that mess. That's my luggage right there. So yeah, this is, by the way, completely unsponsored, but I wanted to show you the room anyways. You can see shower is nice and steamy. I just took shower. Let me quickly show you what products I used. So of course at home I use different products, but here they have all these Kama products. They have their hair conditioner, they have the shower gel, which is body cleanser, and their hair, what's it called? This is 2 hair conditioners. Anyhow, I use this hair cleanser, their conditioner and shower gel, and I am out. And now I'm going to show you, oops. Okay, let me just quickly, oops. Let me quickly show you what all I do and how I carry my products. These are their products. I will be using their moisturizer, which is amazing. I used it last night and it was so good. And here are the products that I got. I always carry my skincare in this baggie. This is maybe a Shein bag, and I always carry my skincare like this. So let me just set it up and I'll show you what all I have and how I use them. Okay, so we are ready. Here's a selection of products that I got, which I packed actually while coming from home. So I have, let me start with the face wash. I got this vitamin E gentle face wash. I've never tried it before and I thought it would be a good thing to try on the trip because it's Jaisalmer and generally travels are quite exhausting for skin. I thought vitamin E would be good. So I thought I'll use that, or I will be using this, which I always carry on my trip. The Body Shop Chinese Ginseng Rice Clarifying Face Polish Mask. So I use it either as my, I always wash my face with this generally whenever I'm on travels, and then I leave it on for a bit and wash it off. It is a dual purpose kind of a thing where you can use it as a scrub, a mask, and also it washes your face. Then I got myself this aloe vera gel, which I did not realize is empty, but it is okay. Next I will be using my Innisfree green tea serum. I am trying out the Mama Earth Bye Bye Dark Circles cream these days, so that's there. I also have the vitamin E toner from the Body Shop and it's actually working out very well for me. I just started using it. For my hair, I have this serum, which is actually working well for me. My hair are not breaking as much even on travel, so that is a plus. Agar ye raat hoti, I would have used this, which is a vitamin E nourishing night cream from Body Shop. It's one of my favorites. And I got a body butter in case there was no, what's it called, body lotion in the room, but there is a Kama one which I'll just show you and it's really nice, so I will not be using this. So this is the lotion which I'll be using instead, and there's a hair right there, please avoid that. But so I'll be using this. So I guess let's get started. So let's begin. I will be starting with my Chinese ginseng thing because I was in the pool and I really need some cleansing. So thoda sa leke I'm just going to wash my face. So the product kind of went away with water. If you are traveling, always try to take products which will keep your skin healthy and are multitasking so that you don't have to carry a lot. I'm going to lightly scrub my face. Make sure I've taken off makeup that I had earlier. By the way, I have posted an IGTV video where I showed you a little my face but better kind of makeup for the pool day. So if you are into anything like that, I will leave a link to my Instagram right here so you can check it out. Anyhow, I have thoroughly scrubbed my face with this. You can leave it on for a bit. I don't have time at the moment. I am going to the dunes, so I'm going to wash off. And it feels nice and fresh. Let me just quickly wipe this off. Okay, so now the face is all nice and clean. I am going to be using my toner. One second guys, somebody's here. Okay, so I am going to be using my vitamin E toner from the Body Shop, and I just realized I have too many things from Body Shop, but this is not sponsored. I genuinely like these products, so they're there. So I'm just gonna like apply it all over the face and let it sit for like a second. So by the way, one mistake that we all make while using skincare is कि हम make sure करते हैं कि toner dry हो जाए, जो कभी नहीं होना चाहिए. Skin is like sponge and it always absorbs better when it is moist. So yeah. And also I think I completely forgot to mention, but ये सब करने से पहले I cleansed my face with my simple micellar water to remove whatever leftover makeup I had from the pool. Okay, so this is now tacky. I am going to come in with my serum. Ideally, I would have used this thing, aloe vera gel, but I'll use a pea-size amount of my green tea serum, which is right here, and apply it. Okay, so that is done. Next, I will be using, because we are going out, I will be using my Simple Light Protecting Moisturizer with SPF 15. And just apply it nicely all over the face. Bringing it down because it's required. Then second last step is my under eye cream, which is from Mamaearth. This is my first tube and I think it is so not too sure on if it's working or not. I'll give it more time. So right now I think it's an okay product. Some days I feel my dark circles have kind of faded away and some days I'm like kya ho raha hai? So that's that. And also always apply your leftover under eye cream on this area because you smile and this tends to get lines. So leftovers here and a little bit of here. Almost done. Okay, then I'm using my Forest Essentials Rose Lip Balm, which guys is so good. I got it as a part of a set on my birthday. I'll show you guys. That is almost it. I will be spraying this Nykaa Mia perfume. I will leave the exact name in the description box. So just apply it. Here. And for my hair, I'm just going to like quickly towel dry it. Please कभी झटक के लोग ऐसे क्लीन करते हैं ना उम्र की जो से बाल टूट जाते हैं. So I'm going to do that. And once they are a little not dry but thoda pani nikal gaya, just 2 pumps of my Repair Rescue Serum by Schwarzkopf. By the way, this is my favorite range for hair, and I'm gonna rub it in the palm, starting from the very end. So generally हम क्या करते हैं, लगाते थोड़ा सा overdo कर लेते हैं, but वो मत कीजिए because too much hair serum is just going to like climb up and make your scalp very oily, which we of course don't want. So this is this. I'm going to leave my hair to air dry now. Alright, so lastly I'm going to be applying my body lotion, which is by Kama. It was at the property and it's really good. I think it is Mandarin Body Moisturizer. So let's do this. Alright guys, that's it for my post shower beauty routine. I do almost the same things except a few products which are here and there at home as well. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, do not forget to subscribe and please like and comment. Please guys, it really makes my day. So yeah, I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.